So this is a traditional way of cooking eggplant. In Indo-Fijian language we call it Chokkha. The taste is smoked eggplant, similar to relish, but it's got a very raw camping type taste. Beautiful, garnished with onions, coriander. It's just so mouth-watering and beautiful smoked eggplant. So you can use a fork to slowly take off the skin, and then you crush some fresh garlic, mix it with onions, chopped onions, and you can put some chilies and got some coriander to go with that.